This is gonna blow your mind. If you love tech or shopping, you need to see what's coming next. And hey, if you enjoy future-focused content like this, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss out on what's ahead. Picture this. It's a regular afternoon and you need new sneakers. You're lounging on your couch, thinking about how you need a new pair for your morning runs or maybe just to match that new outfit you bought last week. Instead of scrolling on your phone, you slip on a pair of smart glasses. These aren't just any glasses. They're your gateway to a whole new shopping experience. Instantly, your living room transforms. A virtual shelf of sneakers appears beside your coffee table. It's like having a shoe store right in your home, but without the clutter. You swipe your hand and a high-top sneaker floats in front of you, rotating in midair. You can examine it from every angle, just like you would in a physical store. Every detail is visible, the stitching, the texture, the color. It's almost as if you could reach out and touch it. You point your glasses at your feet, and a digital version of the sneakers appears, perfectly fitted. You can see exactly how they'll look on you. You walk around, checking them out in a virtual mirror that pops up on your wall. It's like having a fitting room right in your living room. A holographic price tag and customer reviews hover nearby. You can read what others think about the sneakers without having to search for reviews online. Buy these in size 11, you say, and the order is placed. The real sneakers arrive tomorrow, delivered right to your doorstep. This isn't sci-fi anymore, it's the future of shopping, powered by augmented reality. Imagine the convenience and the fun of shopping this way. Imagine grocery shopping. Your AR glasses overlay your shopping list and highlight items on the shelves. No more wandering aimlessly through aisles. Look at a box of cereal and nutritional info appears instantly. You can make healthier choices without having to squint at tiny print. Or drop a virtual sofa into your living room to see if it fits, change its color with a tap. It's interior decorating made easy. AR lets you experience products in your own space before you buy. You can be sure of your choices, reducing the hassle of returns. Window shopping just got a major upgrade. The future of shopping is here, and it's more interactive and personalized than ever before. Let's break down AR. You've probably heard the term thrown around, but what does it really mean? Augmented reality, or AR, is all about blending the digital world with the physical one in real time. Imagine looking at your living room through your phone or smart glasses, and suddenly, digital objects like 3D models, information, or animations appear as if they're actually there, interacting with your real environment. Unlike virtual reality, which immerses you in a completely digital universe and blocks out the real world, Arkansas keeps you grounded in your own space. It simply enhances what you see, hear, and sometimes even feel by adding digital layers on top of reality. This magic happens thanks to the cameras and sensors in your devices. They scan and map your surroundings, figuring out where walls, floors, and objects are, so digital content can be placed accurately and convincingly. For example, you can drop a digital sneaker onto your floor, walk around it, and it'll stay put, anchored to the real world no matter how you move your device. Remember Pokemon Go? That was one of the first times millions of people experienced AR, chasing digital creatures that seem to exist in parks, streets, and backyards. Or think about those fun Snapchat and Instagram filters that put dog ears, sunglasses, or wild effects on your face in real time. That's AR too, using facial recognition to map digital graphics onto your features. The technology behind AR has come a long way. Today's devices use advanced cameras, powerful processors, and even LiDAR scanners to make digital objects look ultra-realistic and interact naturally with your environment. Now, Arkansas isn't just a party trick or a game. It's becoming a powerful bridge between the digital and physical worlds, letting you interact with both at the same time, whether you're working, learning, or just having fun. The leap in realism is what's making futuristic shopping possible. You can see how a new sofa looks in your living room before you buy, or try on clothes virtually, all thanks to AR. Every day the line between real and digital gets blurrier. AR is showing up in navigation, education, art, and even city streets, layering helpful information right where you need it. AR is no longer just a novelty, it's becoming a tool for productivity, creativity, and learning. Professionals use it for design, teachers use it to bring lessons to life, and businesses use it to connect with customers in new ways. And the best part? The technology is only getting better, more immersive, and more accessible. The future of AR is just beginning, and it's going to change the way we see the world. Why does AR matter for shopping? Confidence. AR lets you see products in your space or on your body. No more guessing if that sofa fits or those sunglasses suit you. Fewer returns, less hassle. It's also about convenience. Instantly paint your wall with a new color or try on makeup virtually. No more tiny swatches or messy testers. Shopping becomes interactive and fun. Retailers can turn it into a game or an experience. Imagine a Lego set building itself on your table or trying on wild makeup looks with a tap. AR overlays specs and reviews right onto products in store, making decisions easier. No more awkwardly Googling every item. AR puts the power of information right in your view. Smarter, faster, and way more engaging. That's the AR advantage. Of course, Arkansas isn't perfect. As exciting as the technology is, there are still some major hurdles it needs to overcome before it can truly transform our daily lives. The biggest challenge? Hardware. Right now, Arkansas works best on phones, but holding up a phone for long periods isn't natural or comfortable. It can feel awkward, especially in public spaces or busy stores, and it limits how immersive the experience can be. Glasses are the dream for AR, something lightweight and stylish that you can wear all day. But current models are still bulky, expensive, and have short battery life. Most people aren't ready to wear them outside the house, let alone make them part of their everyday routine. Privacy is another huge issue. For AR to work, it needs to see what you see, which means it's constantly collecting data about your surroundings, your habits, and even the people around you. This raises big questions about data and surveillance. Who owns your data? How is it stored, protected, and used? Will companies use it to target ads, or could it fall into the wrong hands? These are concerns that need clear answers before AR can become mainstream. These are questions we need to answer as a society, not just as consumers. Regulations, transparency, and user control will be essential for building trust in AR. Accessibility matters too. If AR shopping needs pricey devices, some people get left behind. The technology can't be revolutionary if only a few can afford it. For AR to truly change the way we shop, it must be affordable and available to everyone, regardless of income or background. Only then can it reach its full potential. Quality is key. Glitchy AR ruins the experience and hurts brands. If the technology doesn't work smoothly, people will quickly lose interest and trust. Creating realistic 3D models for every product is a huge task for retailers. It takes time, money, and expertise to make digital versions that look and feel real enough to convince shoppers. Until AR is smooth, reliable, and truly useful, many will see it as just another tech gimmick, something fun to try, but not essential. The tech is promising, and every year brings new breakthroughs, but there's still a lot of work to do before AR can become a seamless part of our lives. The future of AR depends on solving these challenges, making it lighter, safer, more private, and accessible for all. If we can do that, Arkansas could truly change the world. AR shopping isn't just a concept. Big brands are already on board. IKEA's app lets you drop true-to-scale furniture into your home, solving the will it fit problem. Amazon's View in Your Room feature does the same for thousands of products, and they're testing virtual try-ons for fashion and beauty. Sephora and L'Oreal let you try on makeup virtually, fast, hygienic, and fun. Nike uses AR for exclusive sneaker drops, turning shopping into an event. Startups like Warby Parker offer accurate virtual try-ons for glasses. New platforms are making it easier for any retailer to create AR experiences. You don't need to be a giant to experiment with AR. These brands are proving AR isn't just hype, it's happening now. The tools are here and the ecosystem is growing. The AR shopping revolution has already begun. The future of AR shopping goes way beyond trying on shoes or placing furniture. Imagine walking into a store, your AR glasses highlight products you'll love, and a digital assistant guides you to them. Stores could reconfigure themselves for each shopper. Need help with a new gadget? AR overlays step-by-step instructions right on the device. Fixing a leaky faucet? AR shows you exactly what to do. See a jacket you like on the street? Scan it with your glasses, instantly find out where to buy it. The world becomes a shoppable catalog. AR could even make shopping social. Meet friends in a virtual showroom, browse together, and get real-time opinions, no matter where you are. Shopping becomes a shared, interactive experience again. The possibilities are endless and a little wild. AR is set to blend online and offline shopping like never before. The only limit is our imagination. So is AR the future of shopping or just hype? The benefits, convenience, confidence, and fun are real, and the tech is improving fast. Major brands are investing and the groundwork is being laid. But hurdles remain better, cheaper hardware, and serious conversations about privacy and data. AR must be genuinely useful, not just flashy. The success of AR in retail depends on solving these challenges. Ultimately, it's up to us as consumers. The tech that wins is the one we choose to use. Try out AR features when you see them. Your feedback shapes the future. The way we shop is about to change in a big way. The future isn't set in stone, it's being built right now. Keep an eye on AR because it's not just for techies anymore. Are you ready for the augmented upgrade? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the future of tech and shopping.